To scale Azure SQL performance tuning, start by monitoring your database performance using Azure Monitor and Azure SQL Analytics. This will help you identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Begin by setting up a baseline for your database performance, which will serve as a reference point for future comparisons. Then, use the Query Performance Insight tool to identify the most resource-intensive queries and optimize them. Next, focus on right-sizing your database, which involves selecting the appropriate service tier and performance level for your workload. Consider factors such as the number of concurrent users, data size, and transaction volume when choosing the right tier. Another key aspect of scaling Azure SQL performance is indexing, which can significantly improve query performance. Use the Database Engine Tuning Advisor to identify and create optimal indexes for your database. In addition, consider implementing connection pooling and batching to reduce the overhead of repeated connections and queries. This can be achieved by using the Azure SQL connection pooling feature and designing your application to batch multiple queries together. To further optimize performance, use the built-in Azure SQL features such as automatic tuning and query store. Automatic tuning allows Azure SQL to automatically apply recommendations for improving query performance, while Query Store provides a repository for storing and analyzing query execution plans. Finally, implement a regular maintenance routine that includes updating statistics, rebuilding indexes, and checking for disk space to ensure optimal performance over time. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your Azure SQL database performance and ensure a high-performing and efficient database.